Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you this handheld garment steamer. Now this was gifted to me in exchange for my review. The reason why I'm so excited about this is because I have a lot of dry cleaning, and if I could maybe just freshen up a garment or two without having to take it to the dry cleaner, I'm going to save time and money. I do notice that it comes with a set of instructions, and this will really tell you what comes in it, how to use it, and how to clean this
Comes
too.
with a snap-on brush attachment. This is going to be great for smoothing out your finishes of your clothing. I really like how lightweight that steamer is.
Now that's going to be helpful when we are putting the water in the steamer itself. I love the spout on it.
Now, as I said before, this is compact. It's only 1.2 pounds. This is where you'll be putting the water in. Now, the water does fill about 4.8 ounces, and it's so easy with that. You just seal it back up. It pops in place. You're going to see where there's a minimum. Now you want to make sure you keep the water level above that so it works efficiently. You can hear the snap. Now it's ready to be plugged in and go. The steamer heats up in about 25 seconds, which is amazing, and you're in no rush, and you don't feel like you have to drag out that big ironing board. And here, after it warms up, that's the button you'll push in order for the steam to start coming. And you can see this nice and steady stream of steam coming out of the steamer. And I'm going to demonstrate on my husband's shirt here, and you're going to see how quickly it starts to relax those wrinkles. The steamer honestly is perfect for everyday use, or is a great option for travel. You can just toss it right into your suitcase and freshen up clothes and straighten out your luggage. No ironing needed. Now, this also works on great delicate fabrics like ties, and it's a great way to smooth them out without risking damage from the hot iron. Now, these shirts right here always give me trouble. But overall, this is one of those simple tools that makes life so much easier, quick, convenient, and really effective.